A water heater is a relatively simple appliance, and they should normally last 8 to 12 years with only minimal maintenance. When something goes wrong, chances are it will be related to the thermostat or element inside. Here's a quick look at the steps to test and replace the thermostat. To replace the thermostat, first you turn the breaker off to kill electricity going to the water heater. Next, you remove the screw holding the access panel in place. Pull the access panel out. Next, you take the top piece of insulation, hold it in place with a piece of tape. Then you pull your two wires back. Do the same with the bottom piece of insulation. Remove your safety cover. Next, you will want to make note of where the wires are located. I do this normally by taking a picture with my phone. Then start at the top left and work your way around by removing the wires. Next, you have two tabs, one on each side. You'll pull back on the tabs and lift the thermostat out and take it out. Take the new thermostat, pull back on the bracket, place the thermostat downward first so the tabs lock into place. Next, you take your wiring and put it back exactly the way it was when you removed the old thermostat. Once your wires are back in place, add the safety panel over the thermostat and element, tuck it in behind the bottom piece of insulation, put your bottom piece of insulation back in place, pull your two wires over it, then your top piece of insulation, then slide the bottom part of your cover into the water heater. Once your panel's back in place, turn the breaker back on so electricity can flow back to your water heater. You can find more quick tips like this and more detailed tutorials for maintenance challenges you might face at chadwellsupply.com, and be sure to click below to subscribe to Chadwell Supply's YouTube channel, and don't forget to click the bell to be notified when we release more tips and tricks. Thank you.